Good evening, riders. It's Kyle from SoCal and San Diego's #1 motorcycle training. Really quick, I just want to make a short video on two-finger braking. I see a lot of people braking here with two fingers. Here's one reason why we should not be for our street riding. Yes, two-finger braking has its applications, but for the average street rider, when we're out there trying to avoid collisions, this is not it. So if I pull in the lever, it's touching my ring finger right now. I can't brake any further because I'm limited because my fingers are blocking. If I take these fingers out, watch the lever. I had almost another inch of lever travel there, and all that does is equate to braking power that you're leaving on the table when you're out there. I've had people do this and switch from two-finger to four-finger braking and cut almost 40 feet off of their braking distance in only a matter of a couple reps in about 15 minutes. That's huge, and that's a significant difference, and the difference between you broadsiding the vehicle out there on the road and you riding home safe. So practice it, adjust your levers so you could use all of your braking power and get out there and practice. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. As always, I'm always available to help one-on-one and group training. Our next public training day is January 18th at Indian Motorcycle of El Cajon. Look forward to seeing you there. Get out there, practice, ride safe. Thanks.